Hello everyone, welcome back. We are making today, it's a beautiful recipe. It's a salad and it's a corn salad. It's very elegant and fresh and delicious. You have to try this out. Without making any delay, let's start it. So for this we need a corn. It's a cooked corn and you can steam it also. It's a American sweet corn or else you can take a normal corn also, that doesn't matter, like it gives a little different taste. It doesn't have sweetness, so you can add some raisins or dates also you can add if it is not a sweet corn. So yes, it has a sweet in it already. Add that 1 cup I have taken here and add that in a bowl, and we will mix this along with other ingredients. I have taken here carrots, like approximately quarter cup, yes. And see this how thin I have cut this, right? So you can grate this also, doesn't matter, like you have to do this kind of stripes. So you can grate that also. Just add it. It has a quarter cup of carrot and it's a raw one. Remaining thing is all is raw. And capsicums means bell pepper I have taken here, like 1.5 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon, like that. And this is also bell pepper, red bell pepper. And add that also, red capsicum. And cilantro, like 1 tablespoon cilantro. And I have taken here chili. You have to cut into small pieces. I have taken here only half. You, how much spice you want, you can take that much. I eat less spice, very less spice. And this is black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon. You can add that. And salt according to taste. I'm adding only little bit. That's it. I don't eat much salt. That's why. And coconut, you can add any amount of coconut ghee. So it's a shaded coconut. It's a fresh one. Just you can take approximately like a quarter cup. That is fine. And one more, only one ingredients left. That is lemon. I will squeeze it later. But just I'm giving a mix, a nice mix. And see how beautiful it is, right? It's a very colorful and looks very fresh and beautiful. Oh my god, right? It is, isn't it nice? And it's easy also. Whenever you want, you can just make it, right? And for dinner, it's the best option for dinner. Even you can have it for breakfast also. See, that's it. And yeah, one more thing, lemon. We have to add here lemon. You can add even tomatoes also. Some people will add tomato, but I will make this like South Indian people do this as a side dish for marriage function and all. And that time they will add only lemon, not the tomatoes. So here I am squeezing one half lemon. Just squeeze it, a fresh lemon. That's it. What else it required? It has all the things like salt and spice, right? Lemon. Yeah, ready to serve. And enjoy this beautiful thing, yeah, like a healthy option. Always have this healthy dish all the time instead of making a lot of cooking and all. That is, instead of that, this salad is very good. So let's serve this in a serving bowl. I said like you can add even raisins. You can add here like for the toppings. You can add some more toppings like sesame seeds and raisin, dates. You can chop the dates and you can add, or any nuts if you want. You can just put that as a topping. For me, this is fine. This is enough. Wow, what a salad! And it's it's amazing. See, isn't it good? Don't you feel? I feel so. And taste is also awesome. Wow, it's done, guys. And let me try. Let me try how it is. So here it is. So beautiful, right? Salad. It's a corn salad, and it's, my mouth is watering, and it's delicious. You know, you had to try it. And The freshness also, how it gives, it's amazing. Nature, real food means always amazing. I'm going to have this. Hmm. It's beautiful. As I said, when you keep one bite in your mouth, it gives you the freshness of vegetable, corn, and all those things. Very nice, super delicious salad. You can have it, and you can serve to your friends also, guests also, and here you go. So delicious, healthier breakfast or a dinner, or you can make it for a snack kind of thing in evening snack, evening time. Mm. So yes, you can also make this beautiful bowl of salad. It's easy, right? And let me know in the comment how it turned out. Okay, see you in the next video, guys. Namaste.